Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to the benchmark test in the Google Pixel 7 Pro device for the first time after the unboxing. Yes friends, just now I did do the unboxing of the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and let's see what will be the overall benchmark scores you can actually expect in this Google Tensor G2 chipset. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Along with that, we'll try to track regarding the temperatures, how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase while performing the benchmark test application. And right now I did not install any kind of major applications at this moment. This phone is completely brand new. I did not even download any photos or any videos, nothing at all. Just I did install the benchmark test application, and right now you should be able to see in the beginning the temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius and the battery is about 67%. Right now let's start the benchmark test and let's see how much temperature it can increase and how much battery it can drain while performing the testing. And I did try to select the brightness up to 50% brightness while performing this kind of testing as well. Let me to start the test. And I will be back at the middle of the test. Then we can discuss more details about the temperature, how much it can actually increase as well. So I will be back after some time. So this is the overall temperature after 64% of the benchmark test, 31 degrees Celsius. Right now, as you can see, friends, temperature did increase up to 33 degrees Celsius at this moment, 33 after 74%. Regarding the overall temperature as well. And overall, you can see the temperature of the inside CPU and the battery temperature. 36 degrees Celsius is the CPU temperature inside and 33 is the battery temperature overall outside. So finally friends, this is the overall benchmark scores the Pixel 7 Pro did receive right now, 7,58,000 as you can see. I did not get anywhere close to 8 lakhs anyway, but you can see the CPU and the GPU scores, and you can see the overall temperatures increased up to maximum 34 degrees Celsius and battery dropped by 4% and temperature increased by 7.4. And this is a quick overall results for the benchmark test on the day one after quick unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro device. I'll definitely upload the videos on the Geek benchmark test and other testing videos as well, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So meanwhile, signing off, until then, bye.